So I'm just laying here and I'm like actually sick, which explains why I've been feeling so anxious. Because sometimes, like, before I get like really sick, I feel just, not myself. And I was worried that because I was feeling anxious, that maybe I would get depressed again, because that's like a trigger for me. Like, when I get super anxious, sometimes it does lead to depression, but I'm not so much worried about that now because I know that I'm sick. I've had a fever. Well, I don't know if I have a fever now, but I had a fever yesterday, and I took some ibuprofen and I slept, and I woke up and I still don't feel good, but I got a lot on my mind, and I kind of just want to talk about it. And I know this isn't like a flattering angle, or, it's raw, just laying here in bed. It's real. But I was just thinking about how I feel about some things, and I'm struggling because, like, I want to share it on social media, but I feel like at the same time, there's no real point, because nothing anybody says or does can make me feel better, because it's one of those situations that are like impossible, where there is no resolution, and it's just hard because I don't get how certain family members can just pretend like you don't exist or not care, because I'm the type of person where I care about everything, like literally everything, and I always want everybody to be happy and stuff. And I wasn't always the way that I am. Like, I mean, I was to an extent, because I've always had a big heart, but I used to play it off like I didn't care. But as I get older, it's easier and easier for me to be honest and, admit that I do care. There are some things that I don't care about, but in this particular situation, it's some people that I'm related to, and they don't like me. And because they don't like me, I don't get included in a lot of family events. And it feels like even the family that says they do like me ignore what's going on. And I don't know if they're really realizing how much it's hurting me, or if they are and they just don't care. But it's like such a confusing situation for me, because I have people telling me that they love me, but then, I'm not involved in all these different family events, and nobody's doing anything about it, and nobody really seems to care. And I know if you're not like familiar with the situation, you probably have no clue what I'm talking about, and I'm probably not going to go into more detail, because this video is more for me than anything else. But maybe you can relate somehow to what little information I am giving you. The point of this video is not to call anyone out, because I don't want to do that. I'm not mad at anyone. I'm just, like, disappointed, and I don't really understand, because the older I get, the more mature I get, and the more I realize how silly the situation is, and how it's built on pure dumbness. I don't even have a better word for it, because that's what it is. I don't get how adults can treat children like crap and not see that it's crap. A lot of what happened in the situation that I'm talking about happened a long time ago, and started a long time ago, and it's just, I don't know. I think everybody should be loved, and everybody should give love, and I think it should be given freely. And there's some people who haven't done anything wrong. There's people who do their best and go out of their way to be the best people that they can be, and there's still people that knock them down. And I just don't get it. Like, why would you want to hurt somebody? And, like, I don't get it now, but I did get it before, because I used to be somebody who would hurt people because I was hurting. So I understand why it's happening, but I don't understand how it can keep happening, you know? I feel like everybody should get to a point in their life where they do like self-examinations. Like that sounds like a physical thing, but I mean like mentally, like you should train your brain to want to get better, you know? Like you should always be looking to be the best version of yourself and just continue to improve on things that you're not good at. Like if you're bad at being polite, you know, like learn how to be better at it. And like if you're bad at expressing yourself, learn how to do it. Don't stay the same, and don't let negativity and anger be a part of your personality, you know? Don't hurt people. If you're hurting other people isn't going to make you feel better. It's not. It's just, I don't know, a temporary thing that makes you sort of feel better. I don't even know, because I can't feel good by hurting people, so I don't relate to that. I'm not there. And it breaks my heart, because I know that I'm a good person, and I know that people are missing out on me, and they don't see it because they just don't get it. But like, I am a good person and I have a lot to offer, and because of this I'm missing out on a lot of things. And you know, there's cousins that I'm not close to, and like other people that I'm not close to because of this situation, and it's just heartbreaking. And I hope that, you know, someday it's not like this anymore. And I hope someday that all those cousins and other family members can see this and understand that, you know, it's not me. I wanted to be there. I always wanted to be there. And I love them. And regardless of what's going on, you know, like I don't hold it against everybody else. There's just a few people in particular that make things impossible, and year after year after year I'm sitting here, and I'm on the outside looking in, just wondering what it would be like if everybody loved everybody and treated everybody equally. Anyway, that's my thought for the day. Thank you for listening.
If you throw it, I'm not going to the woods for it, so. Throw it good. Okay, use your hands. Okay.
What are you doing?
Stuff in its cheeks.
It's like, no, I plan. It's being concocted.
It's washing its hands. It's coming up. I wish we had nuts. Now it's gonna run. They just call them red squirrels. Look, it's coming, it's coming. Keep walking, it's following you. Pretend you don't see it. It is, keep going. Don't look, turn around. It just jumped.
Yeah, I see that.
It likes you.
It was weird, it was following me, and then all of a sudden I heard the car and booted her.
get hit by a car.
Jonah's mad at me, he hates me.
Get that out. So, hi. Today, why is that mean? Okay, so Shawna said that I hated her and I said we were gonna cut that out. And then she said I was mean. Because I don't hate her, I guess. I don't know. We are going on I can't say an adventure. I do this a couple times every time. A couple times every time. What? We are going somewhere, okay? We're going somewhere.
We are going on an adventure.
There we go. She can talk the English.
My bangs, my hair, I'm sorry.
We're going to look, actually, we're going chasing waterfalls. That's the truth. So stick around if you want to see. No, we are go chasing waterfall. So I asked Shawna to look up like how to get there and stuff. And all she knows is that we have to walk on a path. So we may or may not be on the right one.
We'll see.
It's pretty out here though.
It is. Damn, my health app won't open. Sell your debt. Okay.
Like that way? Yeah.
Yeah.
Now we just gotta figure out where we're going.
We're gonna go.
See, there's supposed to be a sign there.
I would assume it's the one on the right.
Sign! Tell me where to go.
Well, you know what I do. Ooh, it's slippery once you get here. Please don't fall.
It's not that bad, she says.
Yeah, I don't know where to go from here.
That way. I'm just scared I'm gonna slip on the grass and die.
Yeah, and break your ankle like someone I know.
Okay, I'm gonna have to put this away for us to get down there because I'm actually scared. You got muddy, don't step in that, come this way. I got pollen on my camera.
We did it! High five!
Ooh. There was a huge spider.
Oh yeah, this
Look at that. I just want to like Fortnite the shit out of it. Make a bridge. They should have a swinging bridge. That'd be so cool. I can hear it. Wow.
Wow. Love it.
I gotta find a way to cross. This is where you fall. Holy, how did you do that?
Because the skinnier I get, the better I can do things.
Okay.
And that's gonna take you out if this dies, I laugh.
I won't laugh. I'll ruin all my stuff.
Is it cold?
Well, yeah. But I want a cool picture. I'm good. No, you can't, because this is pokey. Totally worth it.
It was worth it.
Smile. My foot hurts so bad. Are you ready?
I'll tell you when. Here you go. Run! Run! You made it! Keep going! Don't stop! You're slowing down! Go!
You couldn't even make it walking.
I could, I was joking around.
So I just ran up those stairs, as you saw. I'll also show you the Snapchat that Shawna sent me. But anyway, we were sitting on a bench so I could sit for like 2 minutes and, you know, get my breath back. And out of nowhere, a fox jumped up behind us. It didn't see us on the bench. And it was like probably within 10 feet and just flew down the hill. It was crazy. I wish I had the camera out, but I didn't, and it happened so fast that
Oh man, it was so fast. Like,
it was crazy.
It was like a streak of red.
Well, orange.
Well, yeah, ginger.
Tired, but this is like one of my new favorite places. Like, honestly, I can't wait to take friends and family here because it's wicked. So we're at this. We went to a pizza place and we're gonna try a new. Like we never had pizza from here. Is what I'm trying to say. It looks good. Olives though. Mm.
Yeah.
Why?
It's on them. I don't know.
That's a good response. So we're gonna try it and let
I'll
you
take
know.
the first bite.
Okay. You can have those olives. Oh.
Okay.
It's like a whole tomato.
Oh my god, it's like actually so sloppy I can't.
I bet you it tastes good though. Good? Doesn't live up to the hype? Okay, I'm gonna try it.
Your turn.
I wish I could learn to like them, but I can't.
I don't like black ones.
I don't like them at all.
It's a green pepper.
I love how they put the tomato on. It's different. I like it.
I like
really
Snappy's
like
better.
it. I like this. I don't have a preference though. They're both good.
I just like the dough that Snappy's uses. I think that's the key. It's good though. It's really good.
Snappy's is better.
Yeah.
I don't like this dough.
Right.
It tastes like beer.
Yeah, it's too yeasty.
So now we're at this place, and you can like make your own pizza and whatever, but we're not here for pizza because we just shared a slice from the other place. But they have poutines, and do you see the little leaf? I'm gonna try to focus this better. Sorry. There we go. So see the little leaf? That means that the gravy, well, this one isn't a leaf, it's a pig. The gravy is not like animal based. So it's vegetarian friendly, and there's like a whole bunch of stuff. Just one second. There's a whole bunch of stuff in here that you can eat, and it tells you like that one has chicken in it and that one has no, well, it's veggie, but it has no meat at all, and then this one has pig in it because it's ham. So like it tells you exactly what you're eating. So Shawna and I are just wanting to try different places that we've never tried before today, but we don't want to get full meals because one, we don't want to waste a whole lot of money, and two, we don't want to eat a whole lot of bad foods. So we're just sharing everything. So that's what we're gonna have next, the classic. And it's been almost 2 years since I've had a poutine, so that's gonna be nice. I call it monster fries, but it is what it is. Okay, so like I was explaining, this is supposed to not have meat.
There's no animal meat.
I
in the
haven't
gravy.
had, think about it, I haven't had one in 2 years.
Yeah.
It smells like meat. It smells like, you gotta try it.
Okay.
You're 100% sure? Like,
100%.
I always think people are lying to me.
I'm not. Well, she might be lying to me, but I'm not lying to you. I'm telling you what she told me. Okay.
It smells so good.
It's really hot. Just came out of the oven.
Tastes like the real stuff.
You can tell. It
Can
tastes
you?
really good.
Okay.
Your turn.
My jacket's like choking me.
It's really good, huh?
She better not be lying to me. So hot.
It's so good. I can't even speak English. I'm like, so.
My stomach's killing me and my head. Oh man.
Are we gonna live?
I don't know. I don't know if you guys can see this very well. It's kind of fogging up because it was cold outside and Shawna just brought this in. Yeah, it's really fogging up. 1 second. And if you don't like feet, don't watch this. Sorry, Patty. So, at first I thought it was a rock, but now I think it's just, like, blood. I don't know. It's, like, hard. Let's bust it. I'm not going to do that on camera, though, because... gross. But... I'll let you know how it goes. Sorry, Patty, that you had to see my foot. But it really hurts.